Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will learn how to create a custom theme in Ionic. Uh, and I will show you how to extract uh, theme colors from a design file and generate Ionic variables according to these colors. Let's start. First of all, you have to visit the Ionic framework website and go to the installation page. You can follow this URL as well to directly land on that page. First, you have to install the Ionic. Then you have to use this command to generate Ionic app. Here you can see this is the app name. You can write any name you want, and this is the template name Ionic provide. Ionic provides us three templates: blank, tabs, and side menu. For this tutorial, I am using side menu template. You have to copy this command and paste it in the terminal. I have pasted it here and use the side menu template, and after that it will install specific required dependencies. It will take time, and after installing you will see a folder my app, and in that folder you can see a source folder, and this will contain a global Ionic routing, and in the theme folder you can see the variables that contain color for all Ionic themes. So now let me show you the design file I'm following in this tutorial, and I will extract colors from this design. Here it is. This is a design file. It is a JPG. Um, for now, you can see there are lots of colors used in this app. Uh, First of all, we can see this pink color, and this dark green, a light gray color, a dark gray color, and a dark medium gray color. So we will extract these colors using color picker. I'm using just color picker for quickly picking up color codes. So let's start picking up colors for this from this design. First of all, I will copy this color. Let's start. I will go to this button, and there it is, and the second color, and a third color, and let me zoom it. Copy this color. Uh, copy this color. Copy this color. And let's copy this color. So for now, I have just downloaded a random design file in JPG format, but most of the time you should have PSD or X3 or sketch file that you can easily uh, get color codes. So that's how I'm getting it from a JPG file if you're required to create a design from a JPG file. These colors I have extracted. These for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For these 5 colors, I have extracted from this, and of course, these colors will generate our Ionic theme. Let's do it. You can see here in the Ionic variables file, there is 6 variables for each color, like primary, secondary, tertiary, success, warning, danger. These are predefined colors from Ionic theme. Let me start this app. One second. The colors in the default color theme of the Ionic. Go into the app folder and install it. It will take time, and it will take time. And let me show you some other variables as well. Here you can see these are the general root variables used in the theme, and these are the variables used for dark mode. You can use these colors for the dark mode, and these colors can be modified using by updating these color codes. So this will only apply in the dark mode of iOS or Android or Windows. Here are some colors in the dark theme. You can see these are all the colors here for dark theme. You can modify it. For now, these are general colors. These are all root general colors that can apply all. So let's see if our app runs. So let me see them. Okay, here you can see each color have 6 variations, and for this for a primary color you can see this is a variable for hexa value, this is a variable for RGB value, this is a variable for contrast like text color on that background, and contrast RGB, and a shade and tint for hover, and active effects buttons, and other user interaction. So here let me show you the accepted colors. You can see where we can face some problems because we have only hexa value, and here we have to generate 6 variations. So for this a time consuming if we manually enter the hexa values and RGB values. So I will show you a short way how to easily generate these colors for using the hexa. Let me show you. You can see that if I copy this color and paste it here, and I have to modify these colors as well, which is very time consuming. So I will go to a Ionic Framework website. I will go to the Ionic Framework website, and I will go to navigate to the theme sections. Here you can see these are theme colors used in that app. And here you can see a color generator. Okay, here you can see the color generator for the app. And these are the variables generated in this file. So for let's generate a color theme. You can see the preview in real time as well. You can see here we have a color pink color, and let me update it by here. You can see this is our primary color, and we copy this color, and you can see this should go to our secondary color. And as this text was a background, light background in the design, you can see here in the first screen. So I will call it light color, and you can also see that this is the dark text color for heading. You can see here for the heading and the first thing. So I will use dark variable to contain this color. Copy, and here is the dark color. This is the dark, and one more thing. Here is the dark thing. Not dark, not light, but some kind of in the middle. So for this area, you can see this is the text color used in this area for description and paragraph text. So I will here you can see a medium variable. I can use this text color in this variable. So here are the theme colors I have generated using my own design, and below these colors you can see the generated variables to be used in Ionic App. You can just copy and paste it in the code, and you will definitely see this theme updated. But before updating these colors, I will show you the general colors used in the app. Here you can see this is the simple template I generated for a side menu with a side menu, and here you can see the colors as well. So you can see there's a blue, light blue, and primary colors currently used by the Ionic theme. Let me update the colors as requested. Let me show you here. Here I can just copy the colors. For now I am only updating the general root colors. You can only paste it here. Just click to save, and these colors will reflect here. Woohoo! Yeah, you can see the color theme updated for our app. You can see the primary color, and you can see everything is updated now. Okay, here this is the thing I want to share with you, and for dynamic colors, you can use I can show you the other colors as well. So let me show you. Let's go to the components, and for color set update, after color updating, I will mostly check the button hover effects, colors, and its readability. So let's start with this button. Just copy all the buttons from here and paste it in the main file. So you can see this is a folder.html, and there is a bunch of code here for template. We'll just put it here in the container. You can see this is a explore UI components, and I will put in after all the buttons are here. So let me show you how these buttons look like. Here you can see this is our primary color, use that, and this is our secondary, light, medium, dark. One thing I'm noticing that here you can see our pink primary color containing a text of white, text in white. So, but our color generator generates a dark contrast for it. So let's update it to match the design. You can see here is a black text on pink. So let me update it. We can easily update it here. You can see here you can update this extra value to white color, and this RGB value is white color. And it will reflect the values here. Here you can see. That's how we generate theme colors easily by expecting from a design. So stay tuned, and thanks for watching my video. If you need any help, just comment and like this video and comment on my video. I will definitely read your comments and get back to you soon and reply you to solve your problem. We can also change the background color. We can also change the layout. We can also change the typography using these variables, and that saves us a lot of time and lot of code and a lot of overwriting the Ionic components. So just stay tuned and comment if you want me to show you some more techniques to update the typography, background colors, and the layout. So it all depends on your interest. So thanks for watching. I hope you like it. Bye bye.